So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you're able to create an AI sales agent for your solar business. So basically what I'm going to be showing you is how to create the AI salesperson, how to make it call people, how to make it talk like a human, and how to allow it to book onto your calendar. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to retailai.com. Once we're over here, what you're going to have to do is make sure that you have bought a phone number. If you haven't bought a phone number, just come over here, click the plus button, click buy a new number, and then once you buy a new number, just make sure to get it A2P verified. And after that, what you're going to do is come back to agents, create a new agent, and use the single prompt agent. Start from blank, and then we're going to come up here and name it AI Solar Agent. Now that you have it named, what you're going to do is choose the voice that you want to use. Retail has a lot of voices that you're able to choose from. If this is not what you want, what you're able to do is go to 11 Labs library and pull a voice that you like. Let me show you that real quick. Once you sign into 11 Labs, you're going to come over here to voices, and then you're going to be able to scroll through a big library of voices that the community has made. Some of the voices are better, some of the voices are not that good, but these voices tend to be better than the voices in retail because most of these voices are made by real people, unlike the retail voices, which are just AI generated voices. So let's go back to retail AI. We're just going to use Kate for the voice and put it in multilingual because most people are calling either speak English or Spanish. And then we are going to keep it on GPT 4.0. The next thing that we're going to do is come over here to functions, add, and then we're going to add check calendar availability and then click save. Once that's saved, now you're able to book people directly onto your calendar. If you don't want to book people onto your calendar, you're able to just directly transfer calls and choose if you want it to be a warm transfer or a cold transfer to an agent. Again, most people like warm transfers because it just summarizes the whole conversation the qualification agent had with the person and then brings them to the booking agent. What this AI is used for in solar companies is handling part for all leads, and it qualifies them. We're also going to add end call. So basically, this happens if the user doesn't reply for a bit. You're going to be able to add your own knowledge base. I'll show you later how to create a knowledge base. And then you're able to come to speech settings. Mess with this if you want to. Come to call settings. We're going to put voicemail detection on. Hang up if voicemail reached. And then post-call analysis, you're able to connect this directly to your CRM to know why the call was booked. And then you're also able to opt out of sensitive data stored on VAPI servers if you want to do that. And then fallback voice ID, you're able to use another voice AI company if 11 Labs is down. So we'll add that, and it's going to be Kate from PlayHT. You're able to connect this to make.com or any other automation service. And basically, that's the end of the settings. Now what you're going to want to do is create a script. Before we do that, AI initiates conversation before lead talks. And it's going to be, hi, my name is Kate from Solar LLC. And you're able to put that directly into here. And then what we're also able to do is download this to see what type of variables we're able to add. If you want to make sure that your variables are good, you're able to come over here and check that the variables you added are good. The reason why it's not showing this right now is because we haven't put anything into the prompt. Once we put stuff into the prompt, then it will recognize this custom variable. The next thing we're going to do is come to perplexity.ai and put this into deep research. This is completely free. We're going to have it generate us a full script. Before that, it's going to do research on the best AI sales script for solar companies, and then we're going to create the script based off of that. So basically what we told it to do is create me a sales script for a solar company, for its solar agents, and make it sound like Jeremy Miner and Alex Hormozi. So we're going to enter this. This is going to take a bit of time to generate, so we're just going to fast forward until it's done. Basically, this is the whole entire script. It generated us, just giving us insight. So we're going to copy this. And the next thing that we're going to do is come over here, and we are going to use its DeepSeek reasoning hosted in the US. We are just going to tell it to create a final script for an AI dialer that will be converting leads into employments. It will do all the qualification, just make it sound really good, and then we're going to give it some of our functions. And then come and copy this, then come back over here, click on AI Solar Agent, the one that we created, paste this, and then boom, now we have our AI Solar Agent. Now, basically, we created the whole AI Solar Agent. Now, the most important thing is the script, so I do recommend that you fully dial in the script to make sure that it follows everything that you need for your company. And you're also able to see all of your dynamic variables over here. So we created all the functions, all the speech settings, all the call settings, and I explained all the post-call analysis settings that you're able to do, all the call sensitivity settings, and how you're able to connect to N8N or Make.com. Now the last thing is creating a knowledge base. So basically what you do is come over here to knowledge base, click add, and then you're able to add your knowledge base over here within a file or a text or a website. And then within a website knowledge base, it will update every 12 hours, making sure that it's the most up-to-date knowledge base out there for your company. Once that's done, come back over here to agents, click AI Solar Agents, click knowledge base, add, and then click that, and then you're able to add that. The last thing is you're able to come out here, create batch call, and then upload your leads over here. If you upload a website, you're able to have it basically sync up every single 12 hours to your website, basically making sure that it is the most up-to-date knowledge base. And then you come back over here to agents, come over here to AI Solar Agents, click over here, add, and then just make sure it's upon a website or whatever you named yours. And then come back over here, and then you're able to come to batch call, create batch call, and then you're able to upload your leads over here, and you're going to be able to see how long it'll take to call them. You're going to be able to schedule this months out in advance to schedule when those leads get called. Then right after you click send, it's going to start calling all of your leads, and then it'll book them all into appointments. And that's how simple it is. Now, if you want to connect this to a CRM like Go High Level, HubSpot, or a different type of CRM that you use, feel free to book a call at Sympana.com, and I can help you integrate this directly to your CRM, and you'll be getting notifications every single time an appointment is booked, telling you why they booked an appointment, and telling you the whole reason why that happened. And you'll also be getting statistics on why the calls were successful and why they were not successful. So if you need help doing that, feel free to book a call at Sympana.com. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. And if you want to be caught up on the most recent AI news, feel free to join my Telegram or my newsletter.